Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I am Eileen and I work for Christchurch City Libraries. Today, we will be making salakot. Salakot is a traditional headgear used by fishermen and farmers in the Philippines. They use it to protect themselves from rain and sun. So, what we need is a cardboard, a glue, scissors, ruler, stapler, a pencil, 2 pencils, some decorative ribbons, and optional would be some colored papers. Okay, so let's start. With the cardboard, we will have to make a circle. It is easier for us to make a circle if we have a compass. But then, I have improvised a compass since I don't have it with me right now. So I'll be just using these 2 pencils. So we have to put the first pencil in the center to make the circle. So okay, we'll just have to trace a circle in here. Okay, making it. Yeah. Alright, so it will look like this one. And so, after that, after tracing the circle, we'll have to divide the circle into 8 equal sectors. So we'll just need a ruler for that and the pencil. So we take the center again, take the diameter, and then it's just like making a cross. And then to the sides, just like slicing a pizza. And then, so we should make like 8 equal sectors. Alright, so after dividing the circle into 8 equal sectors, then we have to cut the cardboard now. Just be careful since we're using scissors. Maybe you can ask for an adult to help you cutting this circle. So after cutting the whole circle, it will look like this. After cutting the circle, in order for us to form a salakot, which will look like this one, we have to use the edge of this scissors to trace the line for the whole sectors for us to easily fold it and to form the salakot. So after cutting the salakot and then using the edge of the scissors to trace the lines, we have to cut one sector, which is about 45 degrees. And I've also done that. So we have to take this off for us to form the salakot. So we just need to join this together. If it's easier for you to staple it, then you can do that. Yep. Or you can also use tape to join them together. That we will be able to form the salakot. So yeah, we have the salakot here. And then, this is only the first part of the salakot. We also need a headband to hold the salakot in place. So, we just need to cut again from our cardboard, something like this. And we just have to take the diameter of our heads. So up here, just need to measure it. And I have prepared right here. And then you'll measure, okay, the size of my head will be up here. So we'll just have to cut it, the excess part. And it's also helpful to fold it, because cardboards are a bit hard compared to a regular paper. So would it fit? Yep. So we'll just need to put a tape around it. Okay. We also need to put a chain strap. In here, I have a ribbon as this chain strap. I also need to, since it's a bit long, I have to put a knot, make a knot. And then we can attach it to the headband. So you can use again a stapler or a tape. It would be easier for me to just staple it on the other side. So this would be the chain, right? So let's just put it on, try it. Yep. You can leave it as it is, but for me, I want it colorful, so I would like to decorate it. So I have prepared here some cut-out flowers made of paper, and then just put some glue on it. Maybe I'll just put it here near the rim. Red one. Put it around the salakot. So you can design your own salakot, make it colorful, be creative. Or you can also make use of some ribbons. You can also color it using colored pens or crayons, or cut out pieces of from your magazines or books, unused books. Almost finished. Hopefully it will stick. And the last flower of the other one. If you have a glue gun, it would help if you can apply it under here just to for it to really hold the salakot, the whole salakot. Just like this one. I prepared this the other night. Maybe we can try it on again. Okay, so we have our new salakot, colorful salakot. Thank you again for watching the video. Until next time, paalam!